Welcome back sa ating munting YouTube channel. For today's video, I will teach you on how to use derivatives. Derivatives can be written as dy over dx or f prime of x or g prime of x. Or other books use this one, dxu or derivatives of u. During our college days, we have differential calculus, but when we say Keto 12 program, we have pre-calculus. This time, we will have an example how to use derivatives in a given function. Okay. In order for you to be enlightened, let's have an example. Shall we say, find the derivatives of the following. We have a function f of x equals 3x squared plus 1. This time, I will teach you the shortcut method in terms of finding the derivatives of a function. I will not teach you the long method because that is time consuming. This time, since our given function is f of x, we will use this one, f prime of x. It means the derivative of f of x equals, multiply nyo lang ang exponent sa numerical coefficient. 2 times 3, we have 6. Then copy ang variable x. Then subtract 1 to the exponent. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Plus, what is the derivatives of a constant function? Yung walang kasamang x. Pag walang kasamang x, like 1, what is the derivatives of 1? That is 0. How about derivatives of 2? That is 0. Kapag number lang na nakita nyo, walang kasamang variable, it means derivatives of that term is 0. Understood? Since walang kasamang x, so let us put 0. Or, our final answer, we have the derivatives of x equals 6x. Hindi natin i-copy ang 0. This is our final answer. So, we will not copy 1 dahil kapag extra nakita nyo, meron yung imaginary na 1 na exponent. Okay? Understood. This time, we will have our second example. We have a function g of x. So, we'll use g of x equals 5x cubed. All you need to do is copy the given function, then write prime or the derivatives of g of x equals, multiply nyo lang ang exponent. We have 3. 3 times 5, we have 15. Then, copy lang si variable x, subtract the exponent by 1. 3 minus 1, we have 2. This is now our final answer. So, that is an exceptional way in terms of finding the derivatives. Okay? We have example number 3. We have a function t of x. So, we are talking about a function. We talk about a function. We can actually use other letters in the English alphabet, just like G, F, T, or F. Something like that. Or M. Or any letters you like. So, in this case, we have t of x. Copy lang si given function, then write prime. Represent 4 derivatives. As we all know, kapag number lang nakita nyo, that is known as constant function. What is the derivatives of constant function? Okay? Recall, we have derivatives of 1, we have 0. Derivatives of 2 equals 0. How about derivatives of 5? Of course, this is 0. This is now our final answer. Then let's move on to our last example. We have f of x equals 2x squared plus x. This time, we will solve this one. Copy the given function, then write prime. Represent 4 derivatives. All you need to do is multiply the exponent to the numerical coefficient. 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. Then copy lang si variable x. Subtract the exponent by 1. Okay? We have remaining 1. 2 minus 1, we have 1. Plus, the question is, what is the exponent of x? meron niyang imaginary na 1 na exponent as well as merong katabi na imaginary 1. Understood? Kapag extra nakita nyo. So, all you need to do is multiply this 1 to our numerical coefficient. 1 times 1, we have 1. Then, x. Then, subtract the exponent by 1. 1 minus 1, we have 0. Therefore, we have x raised to 0. Always remember that any numbers or letters raised to 0 that is equals to 1. Again, something like this. We have 2 to the power of 0 that is equals to 1. In this case, we have x raised to 0. Therefore, that is equivalent to 1. Okay, let's simplify this one. 4x, so pwede natin hindi na i-copy ang exponent 1, plus 1 times 1 because x raised to 0 that is equals to 1. We have 4x plus 1 times 1, we have 1. This our okay. And this is now our final answer. The derivatives of f of x equals 4x plus 1. Meron ka bang natutunan? Meron ka natutunan? Don't forget to like and subscribe para updated mo kayo sa mga panibago kong uploads. Have a nice day.